Hi there, my name is Thomas. Welcome to this session where I will look at beta of stocks and also the Fama French model from 1993, which is a three-factor model built in a linear fashion, just like the CAPM, but with three betas instead of just one, which we know is the case in the CAPM model, originally derived from Sharp in 1964. We will primarily focus on the estimation side and not so much on the theoretical framework side. I encourage you to refer to some other sessions on investmentexcel.com if you like to dig into more theoretical detail on the beta. Generally, beta is a measure of sensitivity, a measure of an individual asset's sensitivity to a predefined market index, and of course originally in the Sharp modeling to the so-called market portfolio. The beta of the CAPM is derived in what is called an equilibrium setup because it's linked to microeconomic behaviors of investors. This is seen in the mean variance setup that Sharp uses. The Fama French model and various other factor models, as they are called, are not equilibrium models. They are merely factor models because the factors used beyond perhaps the market factor are not linked to any microeconomic behavior. Anyway, this video and the Excel workbook are available for download on investmentexcel.com and spotafile.com. But let's see how beta is actually calculated simply in Excel. Of course, we need some data because it's the estimation side, and I have decided just to take 25 days and 25 observations of Microsoft, the Microsoft share, starting from 400 today and ending in 540 almost. And the numbers here are random, so no link to any actual history of the Microsoft stock. Here we have the S&P market starting from 2000 ending in 2250, and here on the right hand side what we need is the stock return, the simple stock return from T versus T minus 1, T minus 1. So here the first period's return 1.9 on Microsoft, and on S&P somewhat less, 0.40. So these are the core data series that we need to build a one-factor model. And just to be sure, when we do this, this is not the CAPM. Remember, the CAPM is a forward-looking framework. Actually, when we try to build a beta based on historical figures like this, I assume these are historical observed figures, it's what is called an implication of the Jensen one-factor model from 1968. Let's see how the beta is calculated. The beta is simply the slope between these two time series where Microsoft is the endogenous variable and the S&P has the role of being the exogenous variable. Excel has a nice built-in feature called slope or linest. I use slope, and you see here I choose